Hello again. What we have here is a new setup of Emerson, my parents' garage. This is a CF2052, badly in need of, as typical, in need of retrobrighting, though since it has non-standard blades, it's more like a 2048. And this is probably an 80 or 81 model. It's reversible, so I'm guessing 81. It still has the capacitor and a 2-speed motor. I had another one, 42-inch, that has a true 3-speed motor, and I think that one's the 82. But anyway, let's see how this one runs. eBay find, of course. Those blades are just the standard Home Depot. Yeah, the ones that they sell for porch fans, I think. These were common on hardware stores, so I'll put it on low. 1, 2, 3. That's a little wobble. I'm feeding it just off a cord off the outlet that runs the garage opener. Because I didn't want to pull wires through the attic. Plus it's the garage. It doesn't have to be pretty. Low does around 60 RPM or so. Slightly faster than the normals for these, I'm sure, but the normal blade would also be a hair narrower at the base. It's decent low, functional, rather than aesthetic. Go to medium. Not sure what medium is, but there's a nice, I don't know the medium speed, somewhere in the hundreds, which produces decent wind noise. It's a pretty fast medium. I like that. I like fast mediums, especially in a garage. This would probably be where we run it most of the time. I'll go to high. This one is reversible, by the way. Switches in the housing. 1, 2. High has a distinctive moan to it. And that's probably at least 200 RPM. Assuming that this thing has a 13-degree pitch, I would expect it to be around 230. 240, like some of the other Emerson K55s do with that pitch. You know, that's slightly steeper because it's got shorter blades. It should go pretty quick. Lots of air movement. Not quite 100 original, but good enough. It's probably close. Spin down time. Changing the light, of course, was the garage door opener light turning off. Not that that matters. I'll have to make a cap for this thing later too, and try to retrobright or paint the whole thing a consistent color. That will be all for today. More will be coming soon enough. All I can say is this has made their garage much more tolerable in the summer. Even though they have a nice little exhaust fan over their heater. The problem with the exhaust fan was by itself, because the windows were high, I think you got a temperature they got a temperature inversion. This solved the problem by forcing circulation in the garage, helping that fan do its job. And this thing has a nice good spin there. Oh, well, another special project coming up sooner or later, a homestead. But that's going to be a tricky one. Because of their stupid proprietary downrod setups. Boo hiss. That is all.